Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are finally doing a Fabfitfun box. I'm so stoked. I've been wanting to try this box forever. So let's see what I picked out. Usually they do a promotion where you get $10 off your first box, but this month they had a Tarte promotion where if you put the Tarte code in there, you got 2 Tarte items. So I received the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara, and it is in black. So it is this one. I love the purple. The second thing I got is this Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost. I actually saw this in stores and was gonna buy it, and I'm so happy I didn't because I just got it in this. And here is what it looks like. It is a water gel, and I love gel moisturizers over creams because they just do better on my skin. Right now I'm using a gel moisturizer from Garnier and I love it so much, so we're gonna see if this can compare to it. So you do get all these things when you open your box. You get a HelloFresh 50% off coupon, a code where I can give this to a friend, and then their magazine. I think I'm gonna do the stuff that I picked out first. I did get these 3 set of bowls. I actually got these from my mom. I didn't really like any of the options on this part, so I just got these to give away. I'm actually not going to open these because I want to give these to my mom, but I will show you this bowl on the outside, and then there's this one, and there's one in the middle, but this is what they look like. They're really nice. I think some of the other options for this were the felt board and the Komodo. I don't think I would ever use those, so that is why I got these bowls. One of the second things I chose was these, and they came together. And it is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream and the Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Gel. And I really just got it for this. It is a fast absorbing body cream that helps tighten and smooth your skin. So I've always wanted to try this, and when I saw it in the box, I immediately picked it. I think there was like a hair dryer and some mask for the other options, and so I just thought this was the better of the 3. The shower gel is just a regular shower gel. It moisturizes, and it is sulfate free. I do like that I got both of these instead of just one or the other. For the third option, it was a necklace, some exercise bands, or these wine silicone cups. And I actually don't drink, but I thought these would be super cute to just drink whatever I wanted in them. It does not have to be wine, so I just liked the color. I love pink, so I thought they were really cute. And they're squishy. I just think these are so fun and pretty, and they're just kind of different from your regular glass. So that is why I got these. It's funny because it says on here that these retail for $25, and I literally was at TJ Maxx yesterday and I saw a box of 4 silicone wine glasses for $14.99. So I don't know if this is just a better brand than what I saw, but I just thought it was kind of funny that I can get 4 for half the price that I got 2 for. The next thing I got was this Living Proof Nourishing Cream, and it stops frizz and lightly conditions. I actually have really frizzy hair, especially when it's humid here in Texas. My hair is just a frizz ball, so I'm always down to try a frizz control cream. I really like this brand, so I was really happy that they included this in the box. So the things I just showed you are all the things that I got to choose, and the rest of these items are the ones that come in everybody's boxes. So the first thing is a plant stem cell refining micro polish, and I think you use it on your face. It smooths and exfoliates, and it gently sweeps away dull surface cells and purifies pores for all skin types, especially oily and dry. So this is just like a face scrub. Apply to face and neck, massage gently, and it exfoliates away all the dead skin cells. So this is really cool. I've never heard of this brand. I do have pores like right here on my cheeks and my T-zone. This is supposed to help refine them, so we'll see if that works. The next thing is an exfoliating foot mask, and it soothes and softens. And let's see what this one looks like. So it looks like you just put it on, go to bed, and when you wake up, you have softer feet. So I thought this was going to be something you like rub on and it takes all the dead skin off, but it looks like it's just like a lotion. Oh, I can already smell it. Oh, that is strong. And I think the seal is still on it. The seal is still on it, and I can smell it. It doesn't smell bad, it's just strong. I don't know if I can leave that on my feet all night. The next thing in here is a Grace and Stella Spray All Day, and it is a hydrating rose facial spray. You're supposed to do 4 to 5 sprays onto your face with eyes closed before and after makeup. Reapply as needed throughout the day. So this is a setting spray. I already have setting sprays that I really like on my face, so we'll see if I like this one as well. I use the MAC setting spray and I love it. So hopefully this works well with my skin. Next thing we get are these ponytails, and they're supposed to be invisible so nobody sees them in your hair. The last thing in here is a Generation Clay Brightening Purple Clay Mask. I love clay mask, and I'm really happy that this is purple. I've seen videos of like Jeffree Star getting his purple mask, and I know this is not the same brand he uses, but I think it's funny, and this will be cute to like put on. So this brightens and refines your skin. So that is everything in my box. I am actually really happy I got this Tarte. I think this retails for like $24, and this I think is like $38. So instead of getting that $10 coupon off, you just put the Tarte coupon in, and you're getting your money's worth with just the mascara, but you get both of these. So I really like this box. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get another one when the fall box comes. I think these boxes are really cute, and even some of the stuff that I might not use, I already know of somebody that will. I probably won't use these ponytails, but my sister loves this kind of stuff. That's all for today's video. If you have received this box, please comment down below and tell me what you got in your box and if you liked it. I will leave the website in my description. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, and please give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!